So today, this is my experience with this Echo PAS 225. I bought it a couple of weeks ago. Everything worked fine out the box. The next day, I went to start it. It didn't want to start. So I'm only sharing my experience with it on the reason why it wasn't starting. So if you're like me, where you didn't read the owner's manual, it tells you that you're not supposed to store it with fuel in there. So apparently, what was happening is that once you use it, you're supposed to run it dry. Make sure there's no fuel in there. If you leave fuel in there, the fuel is going to seep down into the cylinder, into where the spark plug is at, causing it to flood. So when you go to start it now, you're going to press the button to prime it, and then it's going to cause it to flood out even more, resulting in it not starting the way it's supposed to. For instance, right now, this machine have been sitting for the past day or so. I haven't touched it. So to start it, you normally have to turn this here for it to go on, and then you would prime it. The prime bulb is over here. You pump it a few times, but I'm not gonna pump it because I have fuel in there. I didn't take the fuel out yet. So right now it should start on one or two pulls just for me putting this on. See? So they so that's that basically. So what you have to do, like I said, you just have to run it dry. Don't store with any fuel. If you leave fuel in there and you go back to start it, you normally supposed to put the choke on to really start it, and then pump this a couple of times. They say up to 8 times, and then you start it. But it's gonna be flooded if you basically do it that way. So the best thing to do is drain the fuel out, make it run all the way until it's completely dry, or else it's not gonna start. I almost returned this to the store because I didn't read the manual basically. So hopefully this helps somebody.